165. I bowl, my average is 180.
You bowl more?
Yeah, we're going to bowl the last two. We're going to do them all. Zach wants to bowl with me again because we didn't do good, but maybe the last set we'll switch off if you guys want to.
I think she's ready to go.
Here's a video. So you get down here, you might as well make the best of it.
What's that?
Did you told him you're a video friend?
Oh, where's my buddy Thomas?
Look at that little camera.
And if you hi, Dr.
Say hi, Thomas.
Hi.
You leaving? All right, man.
I think we paid $199 for it.
Walmart.
And they take the little SIM card in the back and you put it in.
But it's hot. This is Russ for Two More Properties, and Paul and I is heading up to LaVale to Four Pets to get our snake mouse, I guess, a mouse. And of course it's happened to be snowing. I don't have the name of the storm yet, but I'll put it up when we get home. But the roads aren't too bad. They're probably going to get bad for the night's over. We're on our way to LaVale, and I'll keep you up to date on what's going on with the storm. Russ for Two More Preppers. We're up here in LaVale now by CVS Pharmacy. Snow's coming down, some big flakes. See, it's not real bad on the roads, but they keep us good because it's an emergency road here. There's a state cop right over by the barracks. You see the snow's really coming down, especially if you look up on the mountain there. There's a guy plowing out the M&T Bank parking lot. We'll keep you up to date on the storm. Like I said, I don't know the name of it, but I'll put it up in title so you'll know what it is. The claim was only supposed to get, I think, was less than an inch, wasn't it, Paula? And now, looks like we might get more than that, because it's not supposed to do this till 5, and it's only 3:34 now, so we'll see, people. Yeah, we're finally moving. Alright, we'll be back later. Well, we're up here in LaVale now, here at Dragon Buffet and Four Pets and all that. See, it's definitely snowing. It looks just really beautiful. Beautiful snow. I think we're going to get more than an inch that they're claiming for. They said less than an inch, but I think we're going to get a lot more than that. See the mountains back there, you can't even hardly see them. I do love the looks of that up there. That looks really nice. Alright, I'll check back in with you later. This is Russ for Two More Preppers. I'm up there at the Dollar Tree in LaVale here, and here's the candles that I've seen a guy do a video on. They said they'll burn 80 hours, an 80-hour candle that burns straight for 80 hours. I've already bought 2 of them. I haven't tried any yet, but I'm going to get me a third one. And I'm up here hunting for preps. Like here, they got 16 of these tea candles for $1. So, not a bad deal and stuff. Like I said, I've never tried these for 80 hours, but I know people that have on YouTube, and they claim they work. But if you look around, you can find all kinds of like cheap flashlights here for, in a pinch would work. Cheap batteries, which I wouldn't recommend, but in a pinch, like I said, would work. And I'm going to look around and see what else I can find, so I'll be back with you. Pennsylvania Valley Road, all lanes blocked. Roads aren't too bad yet, but Kramer's a record for what was 220 Pennsylvania, so put that sign back there. So anyway, I think you'll be able to read it when I put it out. Sure is pretty when it snows, that's for sure. Hey look, Paul, there's a Wendy's and a Roy Rogers down here somewhere. Yeah, Taco Bell. Yeah, we're heading towards Cumberland, coming down Haystack, if you couldn't tell. Snow's still coming down pretty good. I know it's supposed to quit here in about an hour. state trooper passing us. Huh? Yeah, it's the second one we've seen today, just a little bit of time. See if anything's going on with the scanner. But it's almost whiteout conditions, it's hard to see. So if you hear any noise in the background, it's my scanner, and I'll film coming down off here and see what's going on.
14 Alpha, there's no FTAs. The suspension letter was sent to 12:13. Negative. You're going to turn left off of Boulevard Road onto Country Club Road. Then it'll be your first correction. It'll be turn right onto Country Club Road. That'll be your first right
That's
on
pretty.
the old Boulevard Road.
Coming down into Cumberland. Get some footage to come across up here. I think this is pretty up here, especially when it's snowing. Get one more. Well, we're back in Cumberland, so I guess we'll let that be it. Later, guys.